Why doesn't the law of attraction work for you? Presented by lawosimplified.com. Does the law of attraction really work? You might have this question in your mind now. It works for sure, however, for those who follow the correct basics. 3 basics you should know for better manifestation results. Number 1. Do not break the chain. If you are positive and aligned with the universe for few days, try to continue be like that at least for 21 days. Do not allow external factors to influence your positive mind and change it to a negative one. If you are negative for 1 day, the clock resets to day 1. You have to repeat all the hard work again from day 1. So, do not break the chain of positive mood. Number 2. Ask, believe and receive. You want to manifest something and do all the practices, but still, something goes wrong, and you don't know what it is. It is nothing but your belief system has not 100% believes your primary thought. To overcome this, you must believe in what you ask. If you do so, you will receive what you wanted. Number 3. Never miss a day, meditate daily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more inspirational videos. Content author, Rajesh.